Or don't adjust your TVs. This is Simon. This is just not Simon's Garage. This is the infamous, world famous DX Customs Travis Nord putting a hell of a show on in August here in Minnesota. You should come up and check it out. Anyways, we are working on this big beaut. What year is this, Travis?
50.
1950 cab over, LS swapped. This is not the first time somebody's called this guy to help with an LS swap. I'm usually not the first call. Sometimes I'm the last call. The last time I helped somebody with an LS motor, we had a little fire issue. Apparently, Travis didn't see that video. So we're gonna pretend that didn't happen last time. We're gonna plug into this thing and see if we can help him get this thing fired up for the first time in this unit. Check this thing out. Holy hell. Hi, Kenny.
Hi, buddy.
50 Chevy cab over, and it's been a lot of custom. They chopped the top 3 inches, extended the doors 4 inches, added the extended cab part to it, custom made the box.
Sweet.
And hopefully you can get it running so it can leave here.
Oh, let's give her a go. Well, he can get her to kind of fire. We're thinking maybe the VATS is still causing problem, and that's the vehicle anti-theft system. Apparently they don't want you stealing these things, so we're gonna hook the old computer up here and see if we can't delete that from its memory. It's a hell of a light. Blinded myself in the face. Go figure. Oh. Where's the key in this goddamn thing? Oh, right there. Look at that. Factory comm and everything.
It does have a cam in it. Does that matter?
Not to me, it don't.
Do I have to do tuning on it?
What did the box say?
I don't know. Am I supposed to read box?
I mean, I would have figured it had some kind of instruction in there for you. It's always scary when you got like a new cam in there and the motor won't fire up and run.
And the oil pressure gauge is all wonky. It says 80, and then when you start cranking, it goes down to 0, and it stays at 0.
Well, as long as I don't make it worse.
I don't think you can.
Alrighty. If I can remember how to do this, this would be a bonus. So we'll just disable the VATS for now, and we won't touch anything else.
Eliminate the secondary O2s.
I can't pass
Can you
it
do
on.
that?
Yep. What about like all your evap stuff? So bank 1 and bank 2 sensor 2's turned off.
Okay.
If I miss one, we can always come back in.
Fender's out to fit. We wanted it lowered. I'm like, I can't lower it. Your tire is like 2 inches from the bottom of the floor.
Jesus Christ, this is roomy.
Add a ground effects kit to it, so that's what we did.
Oh, you got red light, district light. Wow, this is comfy. I mean, I'm not driving it, so it's a little different, but... All right, I think that's everything. Oh, we'll find out. All right, right vehicle. All right, here we go. For good or for bad, we're doing it. I haven't bricked any of these yet, so let's not start tonight. Says complete. Before you crank it though, let's we'll open up the monitor so we can watch things. That way if it's giving us issues, we can see right away what's going on.
Mainly just oil pressure. I don't trust that one.
All right, I'm gonna go to that side so you can come on this side and see what happens, Captain. She's gonna go or blow, right? No, I shouldn't say that. Simple.
Oil pressure?
130 PSI.
Perfect. That's why the gauge is nice.
Tap the throttle and see if it changes. It's either that or your sensors, because it's not moving. That thing's fired up right now. Damn, she sounds good. Blub, 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 blub. So it was showing 130.8 pounds of oil pressure, which is completely maxed out. We pull the plug off the gauge or off the sensor and it drops to -15. We're thinking the sensor's bad. So he's gonna swap it out quick and make sure it does actually have good oil pressure, because right now we're just assuming it does. Well, we got it idling now. I mean, I just bumped the idle up. I don't really know much more than that. I'm gonna figure it out for him though. But at least it's running. Sounds good. We got oil pressure, coolant temp. She got that chop, that Donald Dumper chop. Now that it's warmed up, it sounds pretty good.
A lot better now.
Well, that's it for this guy. I'm outie. We came, we conquered, we're leaving. Time to go home.